Hi guys, picked this one up in a charity shop today. Clip-on fan intended for kiddies' pushchairs. I'll put some batteries in it, see if it works. My plan is to see if we can make a fan-driven car. I did this rubber band powered car yesterday, so I would think that ought to fit in there and it might have enough power to push it along. So that's the plan. Right, 2 AA batteries. Okay, we'll see if that's enough to blow the car along. Right, sitting in the car. There we go. Point it left a little bit because it was obviously going a bit right. Yeah, so there we go. A fan-driven car. I'll put a link in the video description to the build for this pop bottle rubber band powered car. But yeah, we have a worker. Obviously you could put a bit of glue in there or something to stop it slopping around. To be honest, I'm quite surprised. I didn't expect it to be powerful enough, but it is. Obviously, you could use it for your own purposes. That is a good breeze. Attach it to the side of your deck chair when you're on the beach. Excellent, for £2. Of course, I did have it in mind that we could cheat. So, where are we? That way around. I've also got a lithium-ion battery to go in there and a dummy, so we're giving it 3.7 volts from a lithium-ion battery. And briefly, we could actually put 2 of them in there. But I don't think we need it. It had enough power from 2 ordinary AA batteries. But because we can, we will. Whoop, tipped over, but definitely picking up more speed then. Oh yes, going significantly faster. Yeah. Okay, enough of that, Grandad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.